Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're doing something a little different, but super important. We're talking about feelings, how to express them naturally in English.
Yeah, feelings are a huge part of everyday communication. Whether you're at work, with friends, at home, or even alone, you're always experiencing some emotion, and having the words to describe them makes everything easier.
Exactly. And English has so many gentle, subtle ways to talk about how you feel. So today we're going to show you how real people actually talk.
Not textbook English, real life English.
Yes. So James, let's start simple. How are you feeling today?
Hmm, honestly, I'm feeling calm. Not excited, not tired, just calm.
That's a good feeling. I'm feeling a little sleepy, but also happy. It's one of those peaceful mornings.
You know, peaceful is such a nice word. It means quiet, soft, slow, and comfortable.
Exactly. And it's perfect for mornings like this. Okay, let's talk about daily feelings first. How we feel in everyday situations.
So, Emma, when you wake up, what's the first emotion you usually feel?
Haha. Honestly? Confused. I wake up and I'm like, where am I? What day is it?
Same. I always need a few minutes to understand life.
Sometimes I feel motivated in the morning. Like, okay, new day, let's go.
And some days you wake up tired, even after 8 hours of sleep.
Yes, that's when I say, I'm feeling drained.
Drained means you have no energy left.
Exactly.
Okay, let's move to midday feelings. How do you feel once work starts?
It depends on the day. Sometimes I feel productive,
That's a strong, positive feeling. Productive means you're getting a lot done.
and some days I feel distracted.
Same. Some mornings I can't focus at all.
And occasionally, I feel anxious before a meeting.
Oh, yes. Even if you're prepared, the body is like, nope, let's panic.
Right. I get nervous when I have too many tasks at once.
I'm the opposite. I get stressed when I have nothing to do.
Really?
Yeah. If I'm idle, I start feeling restless.
Restless means you can't stay calm or still.
Exactly. I need activity.
Let's talk about social feelings. How do you feel when you're with your friends?
Usually happy, comfortable, safe.
Safe is a beautiful feeling.
It is. And sometimes I feel silly or playful when I'm with close friends.
Same. When I'm with my best friend, I feel relaxed and understood.
That's another big one. Feeling understood.
Yes. When someone gets you, without you explaining too much,
And when you feel misunderstood
then I feel frustrated.
or hurt.
Yes, emotionally hurt, not physical pain.
People sometimes forget this, but feelings when you're alone are important too.
Absolutely. For example, when I'm alone, I sometimes feel peaceful.
And sometimes lonely.
Yes. Lonely and alone are different.
Alone means by yourself. Lonely means you feel sad about being by yourself.
Exactly. Great explanation.
Sometimes when I'm alone, I feel reflective.
Reflective means you're thinking deeply about life.
Yes, it's like you look back at things and understand them better.
Now let's talk about stronger feelings, the big, heavy ones.
Like anger.
Yes. Instead of saying, I'm angry, I often say, I'm upset,
Or I'm irritated.
or that annoyed me.
These are softer ways to express anger without sounding harsh.
And strong sadness,
I say I'm heartbroken, but that's rare.
I say, I'm feeling really down.
Or I'm struggling today.
That one feels honest.
This is interesting. How do you feel when something big changes in your life?
Mixed. Sometimes excited, sometimes scared.
That's called mixed emotions.
Yes, like when you start a new job, you're excited but nervous.
Or when you move to a new city, happy but homesick?
Homesick means you miss home deeply.
Okay, Let's do a realistic, longer conversation. You start.
Hey, James, you seem quieter today. Everything okay?
Yeah. Just feeling a bit overwhelmed. Too many things happening at once.
I get that. I felt overwhelmed yesterday, too. What happened?
Just a long list of tasks. And I slept late, so I'm tired and unfocused.
That combination is the worst.
Exactly. How about you? How are you feeling?
Better now. I was anxious in the morning, but now I'm calmer.
Good. What helped?
Talking to someone. And taking a short walk.
Walking helps. Clears the mind.
Totally. And you look like you need some fresh air, too.
Haha, probably. And honestly, I feel relieved talking to you.
Aw, that's nice. I feel connected when we talk like this.
Same. Talking about feelings is healthy.
It is. And the more you practice it, the easier it becomes.
Emma, earlier you used the word overwhelmed. Want to explain that again?
Sure. Overwhelmed means life feels like too much. Too many tasks, too many emotions, too much pressure.
And you said anxious.
Anxious means nervous or worried, usually about something specific.
I said relieved.
Yes. Relieved means a heavy feeling disappears, like you let out a long breath.
And you said connected.
Connected means emotionally close to someone.
What about restless?
Restless means you can't sit still or focus because you're uneasy.
Want to teach some idioms?
Yes. First one. I'm on cloud 9.
That means extremely happy.
Next. I'm feeling blue.
That means sad,
I'm on edge.
nervous, or stressed.
I'm in high spirits.
Very cheerful.
And my favorite, I have butterflies in my stomach.
Nervous in an excited way.
All right, that was a deep session today.
Yeah, and honestly, really good. Talking about feelings reminds us that everyone goes through ups and downs.
And learning how to express those ups and downs in English makes you more confident, more connected, and more natural.
Try using at least 3 feeling words today.
You can say, I'm a bit tired, or I'm feeling happy, or I'm stressed today.
The more you use them, the more natural they become.
Thanks for joining us today.
See you in the next session.